I'm looking forward to participating in the program in Broken Hill in May, and look forward to talking a little bit about emerging workforce trends in the mining industry, specifically North American, and what investors want to know about how these workforce trends will affect the ability to extract minerals from the ground. Some of the highlights of my presentation, we'll talk a little bit about the we'll define the workforce issue in the mining industry. We'll highlight the importance of mining to the economy, specifically the U.S. economy. We'll talk a little bit about the size of the mining industry in the U.S. and compare that to Australia and Canada, and where the United States kind of fits in that whole role. We'll talk a little bit about what the expected consumption of minerals are going to be around the world, and then specifically in the U.S. We'll talk a little bit about the future labor issues, and we'll highlight the importance of mining engineering schools and what critical issues that they're facing in order for them to survive in the future here, both probably in the United States, but I suspect that Canada and Australia are facing some of the same issues that we're facing here in the United States. We'll talk a little bit about the growth of contract mining and what's driving that. We'll talk a little bit about our competition for workforce issues, both inside the mining industry as well as outside of the industry, and where competition we're facing. And then finally, we'll talk a little bit about how much of the industry we're going to replace over the next 15 years, both here in the United States and in Canada and Australia. So it'll be something I believe that investors are going to want to know about, and as they begin to take a look at making future investments in mining organizations and mining companies.